Hey guys, so let me tell you what this video is about. It's about a cat. Really? It's Friday night, it's late. I'm leaving for 7 days. And this is a true honeydew project. This is what it's about right here. Yes, Mrs. Honeydew loves her cats and her chickens. So, she asked me, well, what are we going to do about Jake? And you would think it would be a Bowie cat, but it's not. It's a girl cat. I guess it's short for Jacqueline. She said she named it Jake because it reminds her of her old cat, Jake. But anyways, she took this stray cat in, and she loves this cat. We're both leaving, and I'm like, the cat has a kitty door, it's fine. It can scrounge. Oh, no. And I'm like, she's like, how are we going to keep it fed? And I'm like, you just throw some food in the bowl. Right? No. I was looking for receptacles that I could use for this project, and I have an idea. What is this, you might ask? It's the other half of Mrs. Honeydew's ice cream maker. Oh, if you've been following us, you might have known that I got in a little hot water because I had an idea to use the center of this as a form for something, and I said, oh, it'll be fine. And I had to actually destroy it. So, I think I'm going to use the other half of, yeah, I'm going to use the other half of her, ice cream maker for this project. Oh, yeah. That'll work perfect. Oops.
Hey, honey.
Oops.
Is that what I think it is?
What, this? This is to feed your cat.
Are you
I cut her bowl up. Look, I even let everybody know that Mrs. Honeydew loves her cat. Babe, the bowl for this thing is ruined anyway.
Yes, I was looking into getting a replacement.
A replacement bowl?
Mm-hmm.
And I was looking to maybe use the motor for a project. I thought it was dead on arrival. It didn't work no more.
Darwin.
What?
Oh, seriously?
Well, I was gonna use your flower bucket, but I ended up just using the lid.
Darwin.
I didn't feel like going to Lowe's. You made fun of me for making up reason to go into Lowe's. So I had to find some.
What am I going to use for my flower bucket?
I just have to tape this in place inside there. That's a ramp. I used your flower lid to make a ramp. So when you put the food in here, it'll last for 7 days.
I do love you. I love you so much.
The reason why you tape it is so that you can just do what I did and just set it on top of a bucket lid of your wife's and just mark it out and just cut it, and if it ain't perfect, it don't matter. You just put some tape on it so the food don't fall through and you're good to go.
Okay, you know that it's all on you and they're not getting any of this footage of what you're doing in there?
Oh, well, let's let them get the last little bit.
Yeah, so...
So, like I said, duct tape, whatever.
Duct tape, whatever.
Just... She never messed me up. Everything was going so... You see that little hole right there?
Yeah.
I won't plug it.
Well, I can't see. You put your hand in the way.
And you won't be able to see the hole after I move my hand either, because it's all... There we go. And look,
Okay.
It's a ramp. The food will go right out. Let me get some scientific measurements. This is the float valve for the automatic watering system. So I'm going to hook it to a hose outside. So this is a toilet deal. Right? Yeah. This is a toilet hose. I'm going to... Well, we don't need that. You can't hook that to a faucet. So I'm going to cut that off.
I thought you were going to cut it off.
Well, there's a danger. I'm going to use this old washing machine hose. It had this price tag on it. You must have paid $1 for it at a yard sale. I'm going to adjust it to the exact... So the water will come up about that high. Got to turn a corner even though I could put it in or something else I had to. And then I'll bend this over. And you know what, guys, you could go get an elbow one of these to make it even shorter. But I'll bend this over and stick it through a hole. these will hang like that. We'll hook on the outside of that. There we go, guys. Okay, I'm just gonna see if this works. A toilet float valve, automatic pet water. This is, you know, I was checking on those online, and they're anywhere from like 55 to 90 bucks.
Wow.
It's filling. And look, it stops like in 3/4 of an inch from the top of the edge. And
There we go.
it goes down about a 1/2 inch and kicks on
Wow.
and fills back up.